And welcome back to Bitcoin Advisor channel. My name is Chris, bringing it to you here from Westlake Village, California. It is sunny. No, excuse me. It is rainy and it's cold. And I'm going to go snowboarding tomorrow and enjoy the weekend. I hope you guys do something fun as well. Jumping into Bitcoin's price action. Don't want to be the harbinger of death and despair here, but we do have a bit of an area to hold here now that Bitcoin has played out the downside move that we were suspecting all along. And I'm going to just remove that line and jump right into it. I'm going to make this minute 5 minutes or less. So what's the main takeaway from today? Well, as long as this bottom side trend line holds, I do think some sort of a macro low is in. I do think that the unemployment data that came out today, which I'm going to pull it up really quick, says this. Today, in the United States, non-farm payrolls came out hotter than expected. Okay, but the unemployment rate went higher. Okay, so a little bit of a mixed review there, and the only thing helping out Bitcoin get any kind of a relief bounce right now, in my opinion, is the dollar just got cream pied. Absolutely smoked to the downside, but this is typically where you would expect a bounce. Additionally, on the daily time frame, I did have a nice little trend line drawn in, but it continues to go down. So, we were not able to get above 105 to head up to this box. So, expecting a big bounce on this asset. And shoot, I mean, this thing could still go something like this, right? It could come in tomorrow, down more, and then boom. Then we head up. Ultimately, I do think we're going to come up there. So this is a key, silver cross. You want to see this area hold if you are bullish on the dollar. If this area does break, I think we could come back down the bottom side of the range right here. And this is the only thing propping up Bitcoin right now. We did blast through the gap here. Did we close below it on the 4-hour time frame? Let me just draw this back in, as I don't know where it went, but you can see we did close a 4-hour below there. We already kind of rebounded, tagged the 9, and the question now is, can we close back above 20,500 by the end of the day? And get the daily Stokes back up. If the daily Stokes do cross up above 21,388 on CMEs, on Bitcoin, that's 20,128. So got some work to do. And that is going to be it. Yeah. If we can close above 20,000, call it 200, 20,200. Momentum will cross back to the upside and, volatility will start to decline. Is this a capitulation event? If it is, I would hope so. Then, by the way, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you enjoy some of the content, post a comment below if you have a question. Learn how to set up TradingView. Go to bitcoinadvisors.com's resource center. Take 5 minutes. Figure it out, guys. It's not that hard. Lastly, let me know what you think here. The Wall Street cheat sheet. Are we in the panic zone? Are we in the denial zone? Which I had been fearing that might be where we're at. Or are we more in this zone right here, anger and heading towards depression? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear them. And yeah, here is kind of my, again, base case. Join our discourse. Where we are giving out some free trade setups. Take profit 1 was at 20,111. Take profit 2, 18,400. Okay. Not investment advice, just giving you my thoughts on the market there. What else that I want to bring up here is not this guy. Not this guy. Other Bill Aikman talking about SVB Financial, the crypto bank. The next one going down below Silvergate. I wish I could short this one, guys. I'll just show you up here. And these guys manage a lot of crypto funds, apparently, and they gap down hard, down 60% currently. Not looking good for Mr. SVIB Bank. Okay, that is looking good. That's what I wanted to see. Getting a little bit of profits in there. I might have to take those sooner than later. But this SSV token looks like it wants to dump. After a big rally, you'd suspect these things dump pretty hard. AGIX, FET, Vera, VRA. Is it going to get a bounce finally, or is this just going to cross down and continue to roll over? To me, we kind of already hit that first target, 46 cents. Let's just follow up on Bitcoin. We are 5 minutes and 44 seconds, so I almost did it here, guys. So dollar bouncing, bad for stocks, bad for risk assets. Bitcoin. Oh, my phone is turning off and on. Circling back on Bitcoin and even Ethereum, which did hit our downside target. Let's see, was it here? Yeah. Target hit on Ethereum. Nice move. Really easy to see the double top forming right there. And then just doing a little, Fibonacci retracement. Another tool which you can get. I show you how to set everything up. All your tools, they'll be right here. Here's your trend lines. Here's your cross. Here's your channel thing. Super valuable video. I hope you guys check it out on our resource center. And, last thing to bring up, CME watch tool. 53% chance now of a 25 basis point. And that, got up to 70% for the 50 basis point. It all depends on the 14th, Tuesday next week. We're going to get the new inflation numbers. And meanwhile, SVB Bank, they are racing to prevent another bank run. SVB, I remember having to send wires to those guys, and looks like they're going down to doggy town. Sorry, it's this one. That's SVB, and here's Silvergate, which that was the other crypto bank just to go down. Again, what I want to see is the fear and greed index come down to a 10 alongside Bitcoin making a higher low on the weekly time frame. So this would be, where I would like to see the higher low to come in. Where is my other Bitcoin? Is that it? Did I delete? Where do my trend lines go? Weekly time frame right here. All we want to do is see that this level holds, right? It's anchored in here, something like that. So if, we can hold and put in another higher low somewhere around here. By the way, the 3-day volatility is continuing to increase. We did say if this gets above 20%, that would initiate a nice 20% move to the downside. And from where we're at today, we are currently down 20%. No, 16%. So we probably got another 5% to go. 25% sounds about right to me. Down to this trend line. And if we start to get down there, much lower is how we can go. And pressure will remain to the downside, 24,410. We're getting in the bearish control zone on the 3-day. The 2-day, the daily is now really getting down there. And now when you see the RSI get, down below this level, and by the way, on TradingView, you'll get to set this up, bullish control zone, bearish control zone. If you get down here, that's typically when the buying starts. Down here. As you can see, the 4-hour got down to a 10 and finally put in a bounce. We did get a nice little bounce, which is getting shafted at the moment. So the first test of the 9 is usually a sell anyways, guys. So that's okay. 4% bounce. Not bad. All right. That's it for me today, guys. Have a blessed and highly favored weekend. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Post a comment below if you got a question. And I will circle up with you guys next week on Monday. Take care.